morning everyone. The new sound that we are learning today is eh. Eh, eh, eh. Eh, eh, eh. Eh. Well done, it's a bouncy sound. I've got some pictures here that start with our new sound. I've got a envelope. 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 I've got an elbow. 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 I've got an egg. 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 And I've got an elephant. 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 Well done. Now I'm going to draw something for you, so watch carefully. It's an egg. Egg. There's the egg and there is the egg cup. Next to the egg, I'm going to write our new sound. Egg. Egg. Well done. Now, I have got our big sound card here, and on this side I've got our egg, and on this side I've got our So when you see this side you're going to say and when you see this side you're going to say egg. Are you ready? Fantastic, well done. Let's get in the pack of sounds that we already know. Whoops. There it is, it's in the pack. Well done, there it is. Let's have a go at finding it one more time. There it is, well done. Now we are going to use our egg to help us learn how to write the sound So watch carefully. You are going to lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Can you have a go? Lift off the top and scoop out the egg. Well done. Let's have a practice at down the laces to the heel, round the toe. Well done. Next sound is the one that we learned yesterday. Down the stem, draw the leaves. And the last one I want us to practice is curl around the caterpillar. Ready? Curl around the caterpillar. Fantastic. Practice those sounds. Now, Fred is going to say some sounds and we've got to blend the word for Fred. So, are you ready? Fred says 3 sounds. He says met. Well done. I met my friend. Met. Fantastic. Next one. 3 sounds again. Get. Fantastic. Get. I get my bag and I go to work. Next one. 3 sounds. Ed. Red, well done. The colour red. Ed, red. Fantastic. Last one. Fred says 3 sounds. He says p-e-n. Pen. Well done. Like a pen. P-e-n. Pen. Fantastic. Well done, boys and girls. Now we are going to read some of our green words. So I would like you to Fred talk, read the word. I've got lots and lots of our green words today. So, are you ready? Fred talk, read the word. And, well done. Cot, excellent. Can, well done, I can do it. Up there. Mud, well done, in the mud. Dig, well done, like you dig in the mud. Pin, excellent.